Having a period is nothing to be ashamed of, but it can sometimes be inconvenient and lead to embarrassing situations. To maintain privacy, there are a few things you can do. Wearing dark-colored clothing, like navy, black, or dark brown, can help hide any potential leaks or stains. If you do end up with stained pants while in public, you can tie a sweater around your waist to hide the stain until you can change. If you find yourself in need of a pad or tampon while out with friends or in a public bathroom, don't hesitate to ask for one. In the event of a period accident without a change of clothes, reach out to a friend or family member for help. If your clothing does get stained, rinse the item in cold water and treat the stain with hydrogen peroxide or a color-fast stain remover before washing it on a cold cycle. To prevent leaks, consider using 2 forms of period protection simultaneously, such as a menstrual cup with a stationary napkin. Make sure to have extra boxes of your preferred period products on hand, and consider purchasing waterproof bags to store them discreetly.